Hello. Today I'm going to add a plug to this fan. I bought this fan for my greenhouse and I found out that, guess what? It doesn't have a plug. So this is the kind of fan it is. So I went to the hardware store, picked up a plug with end wires on it and connectors and a waterproof connector to hook to the box. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is decide what side you want the plug to come out of. I'm going to go ahead and let me check the vents. Yep. So this is the top, so I am going to go ahead and poke a hole in the bottom. You'll see here that see this hole right here? These are access panels. So you got one on each side to decide what side you want the wire to come out of. I'm going to do it out of the bottom. So evidently you just take your screwdriver and knock it out just like that. All right, cool. Then you take your screwdriver, your Phillips head screwdriver, and pull that screw out and that screw out. Okay. Okay. There we go. And put these somewhere safe because you're going to need them back on there. Take the lid off. And inside you're going to find one black wire, one white wire, and then in here there's a green screw. Okay, so when you get this, you can get it in any hardware. It has one black, one white, and one green. Okay, see? So you take your wires, like so, and then you have your white, and then you use a connector. Okay, make sure they get nice and tight. And I'm taking the black wire and I'm doing the same thing. Okay, twisting these up. So, alrighty. Oh no. Okay, let's try this again. But first, I'm going to run the wire through here. Okay, I wired this, I put a plug on the fan, okay, and put the little knot, wire holders on there, and I'm going to put the back on this.